Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you all must be doing great and feeling more fresh and energetic towards your studies after the weekend. Now, welcome back for your English class. As you know, that today is 7th of December and the day is Monday. And now it's the time for your English class. So, get ready with your English books and notebooks. Let's open it and complete our topic. First, you know that we have started unit number 10, export quality, given on page number 115. I hope you all have read this topic and have completed its words meaning and word sentences in your English notebook. Today we will complete its comprehension exercise given on page number 117. Students, let's see its question. There are given few questions that you have to write with their answers in your English notebook. Let's see question number 1. Why does the comparison of the cottage industries to a department store make the woman smile? Now, what was the reason behind the smile of the woman? Let's see. The comparison makes the woman smile because the cottage industries and department store are nothing like each other. Now, students, you know what was the reason? Now, the reason behind the smile of the woman was the comparison that was given between the cottage industry and department store. They were given comparison, but they were nothing like each other. So, it was the reason behind the smile of the lady. Now, let's see question number 2. In what way is the display in the shop ostentatious? Ostentatious means attractive. So, please, do you know what are the things that attract the people? Let's see. The display in the shop is ostentatious, so attractive because it is bright and colorful and contain things old and new. Elaborate or ornate, it is very short. Now, students, do you know it is obvious that the things that are bright and colorful, they attract the customer, they attract the people, and it is also having old and new. It is also having elaborate and ornate, so it change. So it is very short. It is very attractive. Come towards the next question. What does the word labyrinth suggest? Labyrinth means maze, a puzzle. A labyrinth is a maze, and the shop was like one too. Means it was like a puzzle. Its way was like a maze. The way of the shop to door, it was like a maze, or it was like a puzzle. It was a place in which a shopper could easily get lost and not be able to find the way out. Now, the shopper or a person who comes to buy anything, they can easily get lost just because of its confused way, its puzzled way, its mazed way. Let's see next question. Why does the cashier give the woman some stamps? Now, what was the reason behind? Why was the cashier giving the stamps to the woman? Let's see its answer. The cashier gives the lady some stamps in place of change because the cashier was not having change, so he decided to give the woman some stamps because he was not having change. How does the woman describe the system in the cottage industry? Now, how does the woman explain what was the system in the cottage industry? Let's see its answer. The lady explains the system as being as in between system. Means the one system that is not of only one kind or nor another. It was in between. Let's see. The lady described the system as being as in between system. One which is neither one kind nor another. It is the mixture. It is in between. Why do you think the shopkeeper tells the woman that the shoes are Y export quality? Now, what was the reason? The shopkeeper tells the woman that the shoes are Y export quality. Answer is, the shopkeeper tells the lady that the shoes are Y export quality to convince her. He was trying to convince the lady that the shoes he is having, they are better than the others sold. They are the one that is the best one, that is imported quality, but the other people are selling or they sold locally. The shopkeeper tells lady and shoes are Y export quality to convince the lady that they are well made. The material of the shoes are well made or better than the ones who sold locally. Now students, you have to write these 6 questions with their answers in your English A notebook and then share it with me. I hope you all understood. If you feel any query or if you want to ask any question, I am there to tell you. Thank you class. Have a wonderful day.